shared vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competition enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learning center, public institution that Department of Education constantly improves himself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, qualifiable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn at a diversity, gender, sexual, safe, and motivated environment. Teacher positive learning and considered in nature every learning. Administration and staff and assistant watch of the education as well and enabling the supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. Our core values: makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.